Hi everyone, welcome to Lawrina, a provider of all sorts of legal help. Today, our topic is how to write a child care authorization letter. But before we get into the details, let's first discuss what a child care authorization letter is and why you might need one. A child care authorization letter is a legal document that allows another person to take care of your child temporarily. This could be a friend, relative, or nanny. When you cannot be there, this person steps in to ensure your child's safety and well-being. Now, why might you need it? You could be traveling, unwell, having an emergency, or being tied up at work. In all such cases, a child care authorization letter gives legal permission to your chosen caregiver to make decisions on behalf of you and your child, ensuring that your child is not left stranded or unsafe. Now that we've covered what it is and why it's crucial, let's go over how to write one. We will guide you step by step through the process. Step 1. Start with your contact details. Write your name, address, and contact information at the top of the letter. Step 2. Write the recipient's name, address, and contact information. Step 3. Provide your child's details. Include their full names, dates of birth, medical conditions if any, and general care instructions. This is to ensure their well-being at all times. Step 4. Define the authorization's time frame. Specify the start and end dates, and the days and times when care will be provided. Step 5. Clearly define the scope of authorization. Include all relevant terms and conditions here. Step 6. Close the letter by providing your signature, printed name, and current date. The letter should also have a space for the authorized person's signature to acknowledge the rights and responsibilities given to them. Optionally, you might want to involve a notary for added legal assurance. But this largely depends on your jurisdiction's laws and may not always be necessary. Feel free to visit Lawrina templates for samples of documents that help you write this letter effectively. Remember, a well-written childcare authorization letter ensures your child's safety when you can't attend to them personally. Don't skip it. If you find this guide helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to drop any questions in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video from Lawrina.